To install BikeCAD Pro on a Mac, we'll first download the program by selecting the My Account link at bikecad.ca. Clicking on the Files tab will reveal our download links. As you can see, there are two versions of BikeCAD Pro for Mac. One for ARM-based chips, also known as Apple Silicon or the M-series chips, and one for Intel chips. Selecting the Apple logo at the top of the screen and selecting About this Mac will show that I have a Mac with an M1 chip. We'll therefore download the ARM version. The app file we're downloading contains everything we need to run the program, and therefore we can run it from anywhere we want on our computer. We could just leave it to run from our Downloads folder if we like. However, to be more organized, we'll drag the BikeCAD app from the Downloads folder and into the Applications folder. From there, we can drag the icon down to our dock for easy access. Upon clicking the link, we'll get this warning that the app has been downloaded from the internet. Are we sure we want to open it? Click Open. The first time we launch the program will take extra time as a folder called BikeCAD 20.6 configuration is extracted. This folder will contain libraries of standard parts as well as personal preferences. You can find this folder in your user directory.